Recording in progress.
Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So please check your notes. Any doubt from yesterday's class? So in the yesterday's class, we have discussed time zones. That's a very important topic. I request all of you to check your NCERT class 6th. NCERT class 6th we were covering. Okay. So in that, we have covered second chapter. The second chapter deals with latitudes, longitudes, time zones. Okay. So please remember tropical zone, temperate zone, polar zone we have covered. Okay. So let me know if you have any doubt. Okay. Let's cover the next chapter. So in time zones, hope all of you are able to calculate the time. So 15 degree, how we have to calculate, all of you know. Okay. So that is Earth rotates once in 360 degree. That is 24 hours. So 1 hour takes 15 degree. Okay, it rotates 15 degree. So we have 24 time zone, each of 15 degrees. That we have calculated. To the east 12 time zone, to the west 12 time zone. Overall 24 time zones. We have covered that. Okay, let me show you the screen again. So slowly, already we have completed many topics related to rotation and revolution. So it is very easy. So you don't have to hassle now. We can cover it slowly. So we have covered this. Time zone, all of you know. At least you should be able to write that 15, 15, 30, 30, 45, like 60, 75, 90. You should be able to write that. If you are able to write that much, it is more than sufficient. So all of you have clarity with this. Indian time zone, all of you know. Okay. So all of you know about how many states it passes through. Correct. So you know about equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle. Okay. So I request all of you to go through that. Now in today's class, we'll add more information now. I want you to check prime meridian passes through how many countries? How many continents it passes through? Please answer that question now. Prime meridian passes through how many countries? Please answer. Prime meridian passes through how many countries? And how many continents? Okay, so I'm getting some answers here. Some of you are right. 3 continents. It passes through 3 continents: Europe, Africa, Antarctica. See, Antarctica is also there here. 0 degree prime meridian passes through Europe, Africa, and Antarctica. 3 continents. When it comes to countries, UK, 1, France, Spain, 3 countries in Europe, Algeria, Mali, Burkina Faso, Ghana, Sao Tome and Principe, 8 countries. Answer is 3 continents. Okay, 3 continents and 8 countries. Okay, so all of you got the answer. Now, go to India map. India map. Remember India map, we were discussing this. How many of you can see the screen? Huh. Already we have marked the important parallels here. You can see 6 degree 4 minutes north, Indra Point we have marked. 8 degree we have marked, Cape Camorin. Tropic of Cancer we have marked. We have marked 37 degree north. Now let's mark the longitudes. Now, India is in Eastern Hemisphere. India is in Eastern Hemisphere. Okay. Please check the important longitudes now. India map. Go to India map, please. Go to India map. Here. This is northernmost point. Kilik Pass. Northernmost point is Kilik Pass. Kilik Pass. Some of you might have heard of Indra Call. Indra Call comes here. Indra Call is here. This is Indra Call here. I am marking Indra Call. Indra Call. It is the northernmost point of Siachen Glacier. Indra Call. Indra Call. This point is Indra Call. But this is our northernmost point. Kilik Pass. Kilik Pass. Okay. Remember this. These 2 points. Indra is who? Our first women prime minister. Correct? Indira Priyadashini Gandhi. Our first women prime minister's name is given. Indra. Okay. Now, I want all of you to check west now. West is here. Okay. Sir Creek. Sir Creek. Sir Creek. 68 degree 19 minutes east. Because India is in the Eastern Hemisphere. 68 degree 19 minutes east. 68 degree 19 minutes east. From here to Arunachal Pradesh here. See, this is the point. This point is Arunachal Pradesh. 97 degree 16 minutes east. Okay, this is east. This is called as Kibitu village. Kibitu. There is a village called Kibitu. Okay. So this is very important. All of you should mark it down. I am marking the longitudes now. 68 degree to 97 degree. So from Gujarat here to Arunachal Pradesh, which is our easternmost state, Arunachal Pradesh. Westernmost state is Gujarat. Agree? All of you agree? All of you agree? Westernmost state is Gujarat. Easternmost state is Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh. See, all of you have the map of India. I have given you the map of India. Do you have the Xerox of map of India with state boundaries? With state boundary map? Huh. So mark all the states without seeing the atlas. Take 2 minutes. I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Mark all the states without seeing the atlas. Let me see. Mark all the states. Please turn on your mic. Sorry, turn on your video. Turn on your video, please, all of you. Okay, turn on your video and please write all the states. I want to see whether you're writing or not. Show the map. Show the map, blank map with state boundaries, and you have to mark all the state. Write the short forms: HP, Himachal Pradesh; Uttarakhand, UK; Karnataka, KAR; Kerala, KER; Tamil Nadu, TN; Goa, G; Maharashtra, MH. Okay, like that you write the short form of all the states without seeing the atlas. You have to do this. Let me see how many of you can do that. Okay. Every day I will be asking you to do something like this. So be prepared. If you learn like this, it will be fun. Otherwise, it will be a bit boring, correct? Every day there should be some small test. Every day there should be something that new things you should learn and you should remember it. Please let me know if you have doing this. Turn on your video, please. I'm unable to see anyone. Where are the videos? I'm unable to see. Okay, some of you are fine. You can continue writing. But at least are you writing? I don't know what you're doing there. Please raise your hand if you're able to write what I'm saying. Mark all the states. At least around 20 students are doing this. 20, 30 students. How come I'm not able to see your video? Okay. Malitesh Patel, show me your map, Malitesh. Map. Okay. Yes, yes. Right. Good. Continue. Very good. Write all the states, okay? You have a map of India, very good. And also you're marking it. Very good. Continue. Very good. What about the others? See, till now I was giving you open book test, but next time onwards, no open book test. I'm telling you because you are not responding properly. Because open book test is of no use. You'll read and write, or you'll not even see that. Correct. The questions will be so easy. You don't have to use the book at all. Correct. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to conduct the test next on the standard book that I've suggested. The standard book I've suggested on those two books. On those two books, there'll be closed book test. On these two books. On these two books. Okay. So please make sure that by the end of the week or next week, you have these books. Volume 1 and Volume 2. Okay, it will cover the entire. Okay, yes, Varun also has written. Varun is good. Very good. Okay, Malatesh and Varun are the only two people who have completed it. Very good. So notice this. On these book, Volume 1, whatever I'm covering is here in Volume 1. Okay. Okay, whatever I'm covering is there in the volume 1 and application is there in volume 2. Can you all see the beautiful map of India here? Do you see the beautiful map of India on the right? How many of you can notice that beautiful map of India? So it is available on Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Yes. Yes, Shiraj. It's just Pirados. How many of you can see this beautiful map here? India map. This is a satellite map of India I've taken. This was taken by the German satellite. This was taken by the German satellite, the 3D map of India. Can you locate your place on this map? See the Gujarat here, Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Himalayas, Tibet, Northern Plain. If you're from UP, see this is UP. If you're Punjab, Punjab is here. Correct, Haryana is here. See all the states here. I want all of you to notice and locate your state on the map when you buy the book. Show it to your parents. Okay, at least West Bengal. See West Bengal here, Bangladesh, Northeast. Okay, notice all the Northeast state, mountainous. Let's say you're from Karnataka, see Karnataka here. All this you can notice, the beautiful map of India. You'll be very proud about. Yes, Bhuvan, Bhuvanashri. Yes, Bhuvanashri is also done it. Very good. Very good, Bhuvana. Bhuvana is good. Okay. Some of you are doing it well. So next week, by the end of next week, these two books, Just Perodos, volume 1 and volume 2, I'll give you 10 pages from this, 10 pages from this. We'll give you the open book test. I'll tell you the chapter names. Okay, I'll give you the chapter names. Those chapters you have to read. Okay, will you do that, all of you? Yes, Nandini, Rashmi also have covered. Okay, very good. So chapter names I will suggest tomorrow. So please get it online, get it so that you can start the test. Okay. So I'm not suggesting this book just because I have written this, because I am the main author here. I have written this. That's the reason I'm not suggesting this. You see the book and you tell me. If it is not good, I'll refund your money. Though both the books have been given Guinness record because they have been published using recycled papers. You can see that here. Recycled papers. Okay, environment friendly papers they have used. None of the trees were cut. We have saved nearly 7 lakh trees by publishing these two books. And the fund goes to National Geographic. Okay, the fund goes to National Geographic for conservation of our planet Earth. So please don't think that I'm doing this for my remuneration or something like that. No, I have no intention of taking any money from any of you. So please remember, these are environment friendly papers. When you notice this book, you'll understand. Okay, so these books are like around let's say $70 in US, but we are giving it for very affordable rates here in India for Indian students. Okay, so check out this in US also. It's around $70. Okay, so please remember, environment friendly papers, fund goes to National Geographic. Okay, please remember that. So I want all of you to be ready with the books so that chapter names will be given and a test will be conducted on them. Because NCERT is not sufficient. I feel NCERT is not sufficient for the exam. Even many of the toppers also feel the same. So you can check out. Okay. Now, come back to this. Come back to this. All of you got the westernmost point, Gujarat, Sar Creek. Easternmost point, Kibutu village in Arunachal Pradesh. Kibutu village in Arunachal Pradesh. Kibutu village in Arunachal Pradesh. Okay, Arunachal Pradesh is the easternmost. So remember the longitudes. What are these longitudes? I am marking the longitudes also. Longitudes, east. So now locate Indian Standard Time Zone. I told you Indian Standard Time Zone is 82.5. 82.5 comes somewhere here like this. 82.5. 82.5. GMT plus 530. Remember GMT plus 530? Indian Time Zone. 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. Okay, 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. This is our standard longitude, Indian standard longitude. So this passes through how many states? Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. 5 states. 5 states. 5 states. So Mirzapur, it passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So now the question is, the Tropic of Cancer and our Indian Standard Meridian coincides where? Tropic of Cancer and our prime meridian, Indian Standard Meridian, coincides in which place? Coincides in which place? So see this plus mark. I request all of you to at least notice what we are discussing because very important. So this plus mark, I'm asking. Which state it coincides? No, Vaishnavi, wrong. No, no, no. Wrong, wrong. Yes. Bhuvanashri is correct. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the answer. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh is the answer. Chhattisgarh. Please write. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer and Indian Standard Meridian 82.5 degree east. Please see. And 23.5 degree north. They coincide in Chhattisgarh. Ambikapur. Please locate Ambikapur. Chhattisgarh mein Ambikapur. Ambikapur. Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. अंबिकापुर छत्तीसगढ़ में है. Okay. So how many of you are able to locate Ambikapur? So it comes very close to Ambikapur. There is a national park also, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Okay, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Okay, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. Or Sanjay National Park, right? Sanjay National Park. Sanjay National Park. Sanjay National Park. Okay, there are two national park, Sanjay and Sanjay. Sanjay National Park is here. Sanjay National Park is here. Sanjay Gandhi National Park is in Mumbai. Okay, don't confuse between them. So Sanjay National Park, you have to write. Sanjay National Park. Sanjay National Park comes in Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh border. Madhya Pradesh Chhattisgarh border में आएगा ये. Okay. Is it clear, friends? So what about east-west extent? See, from Gujarat all the way up to here. Here, this point. Distance is 2,933 kilometers. From the west to east, the distance is 2,933 kilometers. North-south distance is 3,214. North-south distance is 3,214. East-west distance is 2,933 kilometers. Okay. So write everything, all this on the map. This should be on the blank map. Remember, I have given you India blank map. There is a blank map given to all of you. On that it should come. All this should come. So make a file. All the maps should be in a form of small file. Okay, you have to save it till you get into the civil service, because every map pointing here comes in the exam. Now, all of you locate the water bodies now. Water bodies, let's say Arabian Sea, you locate Arabian Sea. India is surrounded by Arabian Sea in the west, Indian Ocean, Lakshadweep Sea. All of you locate Lakshadweep Sea. Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal, Andaman Sea, Andaman Sea, Andaman Sea. Okay, locate Park Strait. How many of you heard of Park Strait? Park Strait. Okay, Park Strait separates India and Sri Lanka, correct? Okay, what is strait? See the spelling. Strait is a waterway. Strait is a waterway, 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 which separates to land, connects to water bodies. How many of you got the definition? Strait is the waterway. Strait is the waterway which separates to land, Tamil Nadu, Sri Lanka, and connects to water bodies. Sorry, there is some background noise. Some vendor is selling something. So I'll spell the word Strait, straight. Strait, straight. Park Strait. Clear to all of you? Strait is a waterway separating to land, connecting to water bodies. So Park Strait, all of you look at Park Strait. Can all of you see Sri Lanka here? I've written Sri Lanka. See, when I say Park Strait, L silent, Palk. It is named after Sir Robert Park. It is named after Robert Park. It is nothing to do with Pakistan. I'm telling you, Sir Robert Park was a East India Company governor in Madras. Okay, in Indian history you'll learn Robert Park was a governor of Madras, East India Company governor of Madras. Robert Park. His name is given here. His name is given here. Sir Robert Park. Palk. L silent. All of you got it? So many of you didn't know this, right? How many of you didn't know this information? Park. Okay, you were thinking something else, right? Park Strait, Park Jalasandhi. Okay, Park Strait. In Hindi, Sanskrit, Park Jalasandhi. Robert Park information nobody knew, I think. Okay, so this is very important. So all of you remember this. Okay, locate Gulf of Mannar. Locate Gulf of Mannar now. Gulf of Mannar. This is Gulf of Mannar here. Gulf of Mannar. Gulf of Mannar. Mannar. Spelling I'll write here. Mannar is an island in Sri Lanka. It is an island in Sri Lanka called Mannar Island. So the name Gulf of Mannar. Okay. How many of you have understood this? Mannar is an island in Sri Lanka, so the name Gulf of Mannar. Very interesting, right? Yes, very interesting. I'll tell you one more interesting fact, okay? In my book, I've written all this. Okay, but I'll tell you that information now so that when you see the book, you'll understand. Sri Lanka was earlier part of India. Sri Lanka was earlier attached to India. Now Sri Lanka is separating now, slowly it is separating. Sri Lanka is separating now. Okay, because when I'll tell you a story. Okay, when India collided with Eurasian landmass, so Himalayas were formed because of Indian plate colliding with Eurasian plate. So the Tethys Sea sediments were compressed and folded to form Himalayas. That story I will tell you. The formation of Himalaya, I will tell you later. Don't worry. During the formation of Himalaya, there was large-scale faulting across the Indian landmass. So the faulting is like a crack where the blocks move when the Earth's surface moves or separates. Because of that kind of faulting, okay, the Sri Lanka got separated from India. So I'll give you an example. Let's say you take a stone and throw it to the glass. You throw it to the glass like this. What happens? The stone will fall on the glass and the glass will crack. Many cracks will form. Have you seen the bus glass and all? Bus or truck glass and all, there'll be cracks, so many cracks on it. Yeah, something like that. So after some time, the crack will widen and it will separate. The glass will separate. Have you noticed that? Because of that crack, the glass will separate. It will break. If you don't replace the glass, it will break. Just like that, on the land also, there'll be so many cracks. That means the place you are living below the ground will have many cracks. They are called as faults in geology. In geology, what are faults? I'll write that spelling here, please wait. Fault means crack. Fault. Okay, means crack or weak zone. Crack or weak zone. Weak. WEAK. Okay. WEAK. Weak zone. Mind the spelling. Okay. Weak zone in the crust. In the crust. So there is a weak zone here. Fault here. See, I'm marking it in red. So along that fault, the Sri Lanka is separated. The Sri Lanka got separated from India. Okay. So geologically speaking, Sri Lanka belongs to India. If you go by geography, geologically speaking, how many of you agree with this statement? Geologically speaking, Sri Lanka is part of Indian landmass. Okay. So mark all of this water bodies. Now the map looks good, right? Your map in your hand in front of you. If you have done it very neatly, use different colors. Use different colors. Mark latitude, longitude in one color. Mark Tropic of Cancer and 82.5 Indian Standard Meridian in one color. Mark north, south, east, west distance in different colors. Sketch pen. Use sketch pen. Make it look good. Okay, make it look good. Water bodies, write in blue. Okay, do it once or twice. Still, it looks good. I want it to be very pictorial. So you should feel okay. You have done something nice. Okay, that you should feel proud about yourself when you do that because this is learning something about your own country, right? I'm not asking you to do it for Pakistan. I'm asking you to do it for India. Okay, do it neatly on a nice map. Okay, so that you can see that throughout the preparation time. Okay, will you do that? I've asked you to mark Lakshadweep, Arabian Sea, Andaman Nicobar, and all. Okay. Now I want you to locate 8-degree channel. Locate 8-degree channel here. 8-degree channel. Locate 8-degree channel. Channel is a wide waterway. Just like straits are narrow, basically. Strait is a narrow waterway, whereas channel is a wide waterway. It's a broad waterway. Channel, wide or broad waterway. Please write. Channel is a wide waterway. This 8-degree channel separates Lakshadweep from Maldives. How many of you can locate that Maldives and Lakshadweep? Locate Maldives, Lakshadweep. Please let me know if you are able to locate that on the atlas. See, this is the question they are going to ask in UPSC. If you are thinking UPSC questions are very difficult, no, it is not. They are asking how many states are there in India along the coast, coastal states. How many coastal states are there in India? They are asking where is 8-degree channel. That kind of questions are coming. Very easy. Prelims, clearing prelims is very easy. Okay, so you just have to pay attention to the class. That's it. So 8-degree channel separates India from Maldives. How many of you agree? 8-degree channel separates India from Maldives. Okay, 8-degree channel. Mark 8-degree channel. So Lakshadweep and Maldives are separated by 8-degree channel. Please remember that. Okay, Lakshadweep belongs to India. Okay, Maldives is separate country here. 8-degree channel. Locate Andaman Nicobar now. Locate 10-degree channel. 10-degree channel between Andaman and Nicobar. Locate 10-degree channel. Notice this. What is this 10-degree, 8-degree? These are all latitudes. These are all latitudes we are marking. We are all marking the latitudes. Notice that Andaman Nicobar are surrounded by water on all sides. So can I call them as island territories? Island. What is an island? Land surrounded by water. Land surrounded by water is island. Land surrounded by water is called as island. Island. Okay. Land surrounded by water. S is silent here. Island, you have to pronounce. Land surrounded by water is called as island. When there are large number of islands in a group, the group of island is called as archipelago. Please write. Archipelago. What is archipelago? Group of islands. Archipelago. What is archipelago? Group of islands. I have written the spelling in the chat if you want. Okay. The group of island is called as archipelago. So hope all of you are able to learn something new today. Like, okay, archipelago is what? What is Park Strait? Who is Park? Channel is what? Strait is what? Correct? It's a very interesting topic. So what is this 8-degree, 10-degree? These are all latitudes, parallels. We are marking the parallels, important parallels around India. So hope all of you got 10-degree channel. How many of you got 10-degree channel? Raise your hand. Very good. 10-degree channel. To the north of 10 degrees Andaman, to the south is Nicobar. 10-degree channel separates Andaman from Nicobar. Okay. Okay. So there will be separate map of Andaman Nicobar. Please check it out. Separate map of Andaman Nicobar. I will show you that in the atlas. I'll show you the atlas. Oxford Atlas. There will be a separate page. So I'll tell you the page number. Please wait. Page number is 29. 29. See, I'm showing you the Andaman group here. 10-degree channel, Nicobar. How many of you are able to see page number 29 in Oxford Atlas? Page number 29. Also see Lakshadweep. 8-degree, 9-degree. Both are there. 9-degree, 8-degree channel. Okay. Now, to the north of Andaman, I want you to see Cocos Channel, Preparis Channel. Cocos Channel, Preparis Channel. Cocos Channel, Preparis Channel. To the north of Andaman, locate Preparis Channel, Cocos Channel. In page number 10, you can locate. Page number 10, 11. Cocos Channel, Preparis Channel. How many of you are able to locate that in page number 10? Below Myanmar. Below Myanmar. Below Myanmar, locate Preparis Channel, Cocos Channel. Underline Coco. Coco Islands. Coco Island. This island, Coco Island, all of you got it? Coco Island has been given by Myanmar to China. So China has set up a signet base here. Signet base. What is signet? Signal intelligence base here. China has set up signal intelligence base here. No, Cocos Channel. And they are planning to develop a naval base here on Little Coco Island. There is an island called Little Coco. They are planning to develop a Cocos, COCOS. Pratham, there are so many islands with the same name. There are so many islands with the same name. This Coco Island is between India and Myanmar. It belongs to Myanmar. Myanmar has given it to China, and China has set up a SIGINT. What is SIGINT? Signal intelligence. Please write signal intelligence. So that means they can easily monitor our movements here. Let's say Vishakhapatnam, our Eastern Naval Command. They can monitor our ship movements. They can monitor our Wheeler Island. Remember, Wheeler Island is a place where we test our missiles, rockets and all we test here. Sriharikota here. We launch our rockets here. So these three, they can easily monitor what we are doing in the east coast of India. Hope all of you are able to understand. It belongs to Myanmar. It belongs to Myanmar. So it has been given to China. Yes, in Vietnam, we have our SIGINT base. Yes. So since China is surrounding us, we are also surrounding them from all sides. Okay, so please locate. There is a island called Cocos Island. Cocos Island. Myanmar. So that island has been given to China. Okay, China. Please remember that. So China has set up signal intelligence base here, from where they can monitor our coast. Let's say, how many of you heard of Wheeler Island? How many of you heard of Wheeler Island, also called as Kalam Island, where we test our missiles in Orissa? Okay, they can monitor that. They can monitor our island, what we are doing. Okay, and all we can monitor. Vishakhapatnam is a naval command, Eastern Naval Command. So they can monitor our naval movement here. Sriharikota is the place where we launch rockets, satellites. Sriharikota. They monitor our ISRO's activities here. ISRO launch rocket PSLV, GSLV from here. They can monitor our movement. Yes, recently Wheeler Island is called as Kalam Island. Abdul Kalam Island. Okay. So is it clear, friends? So we have lot of information today, like so many facts we have studied, so many markers, points we have covered. Hope all of you are able to mark it on the map, on the atlas. Every day you should do that. Whenever I show you a place, you should be able to locate it on the atlas. You should work hard in the background. Okay. Hope all of you are able to understand. I know it is getting tougher. That's how it is. That is how it is. You will get more information every day. You need to digest that. You need to remember that. By marking it on the map, you are making the job easier. How many of you agree? Marking on the map is fun. Fun. One. Second, easily you will remember. You will not forget. Whoever is not doing the map, you are going to suffer. I'm telling you. So maps are used everywhere. Intelligence, defense, correct? Defense, intelligence, correct? They also use maps. And students also use map. Geographers also use map for various purposes. Planners use map. So map is very important. If you are not doing it on the map, practicing it on the map, that means you are still not learning. Tamim, is it clear? I have repeated it twice. Tamim, is it clear? You got the island, Cocos Island, and you got all these three places. Yes. Is it clear to all of you? Okay. I request all of you to prepare the map of India, just like I've told you. On a blank map, all of you should draw this using different colors. Just like how I've used blue, black, red, and all. Use different colors. Okay. So I want you to prepare that and bring it to the institute in August. When you come to the campus, you should bring the maps also. Clear? I'll just check that. If you have made any mistake and all, I'll just check in the college. Will you do that? Shrikota is in Andhra Pradesh. Malatesh Patel is asking where is Shrikota? Shrikota is in Andhra Pradesh, bordering Tamil Nadu, very close to Tamil Nadu. Yes, yes. You read NCERT and Just Period, it will cover entire thing. Just Period is like an encyclopedia. When you buy it, you'll know. These two encyclopedias will help you as a coffee table book. How many of you heard of coffee table book? What is coffee table book? It's for general reading. You can read, you can give it to others, you can gift it to others. They can read it as a general reading. For kids and all, they can use it. So how many of you heard of coffee table book? Usually when you go to like places like hotels and all, they'll be keeping some books on the table, right? For the people to sit and read in their spare time, like that. So please go through Just Periodos and instead. Yeah, yeah, you can read all. Yes, all people can read it. Yes, something that can be read by all age groups. Very correct, Chetan. Very correct. And also, please suggest that book to your friends also. I request all of you to suggest these two books for your friends. You'll greatly appreciate it. Okay, so when you read the book or when you see the book, both the books together, you will appreciate what we have done in the book. Okay, so please suggest your friends also so that you can know about our earth, know about our surroundings, know about our country. Yes, it is available on Amazon, Varun. Check it out. Many IAS officers have given the review. You can read the reviews given by them who are in service, who are in service. Like Mysore DC was my student, Abhiram earlier. Okay, Belgaum SP was my student. Now present Mysore DC is also my student. Like that, many of my students are in the service now. Okay, so you can see their reviews written there. Okay, so nearly 150 students are in service. 150 of my students, geography students, are in service now. IAS, IPS in different parts of the country. In Flipkart, it is not available, I guess. Please check out Amazon. Amazon is very efficient in delivery. It's available only in Amazon, I guess. Both the books. Both the books are available only on Amazon. Okay, please check it out. It's an audio video book also. So we have linked it to videos also. When you read the book, there is a QR code given. The QR code is can be used to see the videos. Okay. So please see and check it on Amazon. Okay. Thank you, friends. When you buy the book, let me know. I'll tell you the chapters. Mazid Hussain is for optionals, Akash, not for GS. This, please remember, the book I'm suggesting is for GS. All of you remember, Just Volume 1 and 2 is for GS, prelims and mains. Means GC Leong is not sufficient, Ramkrishna. GC Leong is like a very small book. Like if you read GC Leong, the solar system is given in a small chapter. The solar system is given in a very small chapter. Okay, like a small paragraph they have given, not sufficient. I'm saying if you read GC Leong, the contents are not sufficient at all for the exam now you are facing. That is basically for GK, small reading. You compare when you see the book, you compare same price. GC Leong is also same price. These books are also same price. Okay, please. I'll tell you the chapter names from Monday onwards. Monday onwards, I will tell you the chapter names. Yes, yes. Rakshita, it's enough. Rakshita, it's enough. The books that I'm suggesting are very enough. NCERT and just Perodos. For GS, it's enough. Mains and films, it's enough. Don't worry. For your knowledge, also, it's enough. Everything I know, everything I have traveled across the world, I have written it there in the book. So it's usually everything it covers. Okay, in simple English. You check out the review also, please, in Amazon. Okay. So Monday onwards, I'll be suggesting the page numbers from the book, both volume 1, volume 2. Volume 1, volume 2, you start reading. Okay. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. Study well. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So please prepare the maps and bring it to the class. Okay. Thank you. Yes, Nandini, it takes time, but 3-4 days you have time. But Tuesday, at least Wednesday, it will be able to reach you, I guess. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, all of you. Start studying quickly. Have a nice day. Study. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.